Here on our vegetables. What is that?
French beans.
Oh, it's beans. Oh.
Yeah. And carrots.
We're having that chicken, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Miles made some rotisserie chicken last night in the hot air fryer. It came out really good. That's our new love, the hot air fryer. Both of us love it. It just saves a lot of time, man, and it when you turn that oven on, whew, it gets so hot in this house. And no matter what Miles does or what myself I do, open the windows, everything like that, it just doesn't seem to. They kick it out. It's just hot. We got Mark. Poor guy. He hates thunderstorms, which a lot of dogs do. But he hears thunder, he doesn't eat, he won't go outside. He sticks close to his mother, his mommy. If his mommy ain't around, he sticks close to me. Is it annoying? No, because he doesn't get leechy. I just feel sorry for him, right? Right, Mark? Yeah, so that storm, it's hopefully it blows by, you know. And tomorrow is the big election day, and Miles told me that she doesn't want to let anybody know who she's going to vote for, because she says that's between her and the voting box. And I said, I understand. That's your privileged information. You don't have to tell nobody nothing. So tomorrow's. And what time's the voting start?
The workers already there. Maybe 5:30 or 6 o'clock. They are already there.
What, in the morning?
Yeah, preparing.
Okay, so what time does it open up? At 7?
Maybe.
Yeah, 7 and what? What time does it close? Is it 8 o'clock at night?
No. Normally it's 3 to. It depends if there's no more going.
Okay, I got a voting question for you. In the United States, everything's done electronically. You go inside, there's a computer, and you tap on who you want to vote for. How do they do it here?
Counting.
No, what I mean is, do you fill it out a piece of paper and drop it in a box?
Yeah.
So do you think that's...
After shading or filling, you insert the ballot inside the machine, inside the machine, and then you take a receipt. Review your receipt if those people those candidates you vote is.
Oh, okay. So you basically put it through a scanner, and then the scanner spits out what. In other words, okay, I'm gonna make up a name. Okay, you voted for Billy Bob. Okay, you voted for Billy Bob for president. You voted for Alice May for vice president. When you get that spit back, it should say on there, Billy Bob president and Alice May vice president, right? Now, what happens if it's not on there? How if it says somebody else's name?
A big problem.
Now, do you go and report it, or?
You report it to the board of canvassers or the board of directors who are designated.
Now, let me ask you: is there going to be police there?
Yeah, it should be.
Now, let me ask you another question. I know you might not have the answers for it. Say you go to these people and they kind of give you the one around. Like, you know, they're acting like, okay, so what? Who cares? Go on. All right? In other words, they're not helping you with the problem. Are you supposed to go to the police and say, hey, I didn't vote for these people. I went to the authorities here and they just ignored me and told me don't worry about it.
The nearest who knows who knows to solve this problem? The COMELEC, the PNP, if they can solve it.
So, does each barangay, okay, like we live in barangay 3. Now, does each barangay have a voting station, or is this one here going to be the main place for Badak?
They have the, I don't know, it's my first time to vote
It's your first
in
time
Ilocos
here?
already. But they said that is school. I don't know how many.
Oh, the school, that's right. I'm
yeah,
sorry, it's at the
how
school.
many barangays will occupy that school?
Oh, it's raining, folks. She's happy because it hasn't really rained here, and it's been very dry, and her plants. She's all about her plants. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it is coming down. The Miles are gonna go out there and, well, they say rainwater is good for plants, right? As you can see, Miles loves her plants. Yeah, she loves her plants. Well, I'm just playing with it.
I waste my effort while ago.
I think she's gonna start dancing or something. I don't know. Well, I will say one thing. It is cooking up a nice cool breeze. I will say that. Yeah, it's putting the plants out there. These plants are Miles' life. She loves her plants. I know, I said it like over and over already. I'm pretty sure you all got the point, right? Alright, so tomorrow's voting day. Monkey's scared to death. But it's raining pretty hard. Mimi don't care. Mimi could care less. She's a good dog though, ain't she, Mimi? Hi, Mimi. When I first got here, she kind of kept her distance from me. She really didn't want anything to do. I mean, she didn't want for me, but she kind of basically, you know, we kept our distance. But now she's kind of like, she's growing on me. She's annoying at times, I ain't gonna lie. She's annoying at times. She's one of those, oh my God, the world's gonna end, kind of panicky dog. Me and Muck are buddies, right, Muck? Alright, man. I'm gonna let you all go. Yeah, tomorrow's voting day. It's raining. Miles is happy. All the ladies are out there putting their plants out in the rain. And you all take it easy. Be good, be safe, love yourself, love each other. Bye.